The Luggie Super Deluxe is the largest scooter in our Luggie range. The Luggie Super Deluxe has a large, comfortable seat and accommodates riders of up to 163 kilos. The seat also features adjustable seat height, adjustable armrests, and a convenient under-seat storage bag. There's an easy push-button power switch, horn, and compact speed dial. The tiller features both height and angle adjustability. The scooter has a removable lithium battery with a range of up to 23 kilometers. There are large rear pneumatic tires and front suspension for a soft, comfortable ride. The Luggie Super Deluxe has an easy one-piece folding system which features a lift and lean technique, making the scooter easy to load. First, lower the tiller and latch it to the base of the scooter. Next, pull the red lever and lower the seat. You're now ready to transport your Luggie Super Deluxe. Grasp the black handle and bend at your knees to lift one end of the scooter and roll it behind you. The Luggie Super Deluxe has a large, comfortable seat and accommodates riders of up to 163 kilos.